I'ma head out then.
I got 6 Crossfire XT415s on 3 Crossfire XT16 case.
Yes, sir.
And then all XT Pro, mids and highs throughout the whole thing.
Okay, what can they find you on social media anywhere?
Oh yeah, they find me on social media. It's Michael Mohr.
Oh yes, sir. Y'all know who it is. You gonna be at the Crossfire booth tomorrow?
I might be. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna be all over the place.
Yeah, you know how it goes. Move around.
I gotta follow Bella driving around in her little Power Wheel. Though.
Yeah. Yeah, you know how that's going.
Yo.
Man, y'all. Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.